Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your number on Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Facebook profile. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Okay, then you simply need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on settings, and here you need to click on see more in account center. So it will take few seconds to load the account center. Okay, then you simply need to click on accounts, or you can click on personal details. Then you need to click on contact info. Here you need to click on your number, and here you can see the option of delete number, and once you delete you can add another number. So this is the process by which you can change your number on Facebook. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.